Determine the equation for the locus of a point such that the line segment joining the points -5, 1 and 3, 2 subtends a right angle at the moving point. Let us begin. Let's say we have 2 points. One of the point is A with coordinates -5, 1. We're going to consider another point B. B has the coordinates 3, 2. Right. As given here, we have another point. Let's call it P with the coordinates H, K. Now this particular point P is moving, and also while it moves, it's going to subtend a right angle at the moving point. Meaning, if we join A with point P and B with point P, then this particular angle is going to be 90 degrees. So we'll have to find out the equation of the locus of that particular point. Now what we'll do? Let's join point A and point B. Now clearly, we have the right angle triangle PA, PB. So it is right angled at P. So here what we can do, we can apply the Pythagoras theorem. So the Pythagoras theorem states that we have AB squared, so that will be equals to PA squared plus PB squared. Now let's do one thing. Let's apply the distance formula to find out the length of AB, PA and PB. So AB, that's going to be, so first we'll have to take the difference of the x coordinate. So that's -5 minus 3 whole squared. And then we are going to add it to the difference of the y coordinate. So that's going to be 1 minus 2 square this value. This will be equals to, so we need PA squared. For the PA squared, what we'll do? First we'll take the difference of the x coordinates. So we have h minus -5. So get h plus 5 whole squared. Added to, now we have k minus 1 whole squared. This will be added to PB squared. So PB squared will be h minus 3 whole squared plus k minus 2 whole squared. Fine. So -5, -3, that's -8. Squaring -8 is going to give us positive 64. Then we have 1 minus 2, that's -1. Squaring it gives us positive 1. That will be equals to, so let's expand it. We get h squared plus 10h plus 25. Added to, now we have k minus 1 whole squared, so that's going to be k squared minus 2k plus 1. Added to, now we have h minus 3 whole squared, so that's going to be h squared minus 6h plus 9. Added to, k squared minus 4k plus 4. Fine. So let's further simplify. We now have 65 on the left hand side. Now we can combine h squared and this h squared to get 2h squared. We can combine k squared with this particular k squared. We get 2k squared. Then we have 10h minus 6h. So that will be plus 4h. And we have -2k, -4k. So that will be -6k. Then we add up the constants. We have 25 plus 9. That's going to be 34. 34 plus 1, that's 35. 35 plus 4, now that's going to be 39. Fine. Now that means if we rearrange everything, we get 2h squared plus 2k squared plus 4h minus 6k. So that will be equals to 65 minus 39. So that's going to be 26. Now what we can do, we can factor out 2 from each of the terms and rewrite it to get h squared plus k squared plus 2h minus 3k, that will be equals to 13. Now in the final step, what we'll do, we'll replace the value of h with x and the value of k with y. So that's going to give us the locus of the point P. So that's going to be x squared plus y squared plus 2ax minus 3y equals to 13. So this is the locus of point P. So that's the required answer.